Hello, in front of me I've got CAT S40. Today I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. If you open your Google Pay app, tap on Passes and select this blue button. In here we've got three options: public transport, loyalty program and gift card. Firstly, select public transport. In here you can add your public transport card to Google Pay. You'll be redirected to website, finish the form and go back. In loyalty program, select the shop, for example IKEA Poland, scan your card or enter details manually. Then tap Save. Very similar with gift card. Select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Save. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.